guys, welcome back to my channel. I didn't get to make an intro from home, so I'm making it now because I had to rush up. My sister came for me, so the taxi was waiting, so I had to rush out. But I'm basically in the town. Went to collect a package. You see that further down in the vlog. And well, two packages, one for myself and one for a friend of mine. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel, and I hope you'll enjoy this vlog.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so good.
Guys, I just collected my package. Well, it's not mine, it's for a friend of mine.
Doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's
But yeah,
there's no way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song. You know my heart, cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day.
as we're going down by where you'd call it the lumber or whatever you're purchasing from George Kirby.
Here, because you make catching a video and should never make that happen.
You want to go? You want to go in that video? You're in there now. You're never in there before. Oi! My sister down there, so bread. I'm in a store just eye shopping because I'm burning a little time because my sister is at the ATM. Let me show you. Not looking at anything specific. They sell a lot of things in here. It's not a, no, I don't think it's a Chinese store though, but they sell a lot of things, cushions, clothes. These are the cushions that they have. And they sell things for kids, chairs, bicycles over there. They sell products for babies like these what is it? Powder. Curtains. These are nice. These teddies are nice. They sell also stuff. As I said, they sell everything in here. Everything. You know, them places they call like a little one-stop shop or something like that. Can get a lot of things up here.
Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now.
This is a playpen. 16,600. Glass table. Very nice. Not bad. Worth was 300. Guys, I'm not buying anything. As I say, I'm just burning some time because my sister is at the ATM downstairs.
Your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this.
Guys, I cannot find. I don't remember what the brand, but I can't find it. I cannot find it. Guys, I'm doing a voiceover for this portion of the video because there's music playing in the background and I don't want to get copyrighted. So I was basically saying that I was searching for the Caribbean Choice coconut milk. However, I was unable to locate it, so I am purchasing one coconut grace milk instead, and also a Maggie coconut milk because I had Caribbean Choice coconut milk already at home. So I was purchasing two of these ones instead. Sweet water as well, please. Good morning, guys. Yeah, it's a new day. The vlog that you just finished watching that was from Friday, February 14th. No, it is the 14th. So that was Friday, February 12th, and today is February 14th. That's Sunday. But I didn't get to end the vlog, so I'm just ending it now. I didn't get to talk much in the vlog as well because there was a lot of copyright music going on in the town, so I don't want to get copyrighted, so I didn't get to talk much. But I really hope that you enjoyed this vlog. It might not have been much, but I hope you enjoyed it just the same. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.